Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna show you how to become a scratcher, as I said yesterday. So make sure you watch yesterday's video if you already didn't. It will be at the top. It will be at the top right here. I'm showing you with the mouse. Um, so please watch it, and you will become a scratcher in in a really few steps. And so let's get started. So step one, you need to make an account. So I'm already a scratcher in my current account. It says it under my name, um like right there. So I'm just gonna click on this and sign out. I'm just gonna make a new account right quick. um Join scratch. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip this part. So yeah. Okay, so I made the account. It's called how to iqCode. Um, this I'm just gonna use this to um. Actually, I'm just gonna use it for this video. I guess I'm gonna delete it later. So it just sent me a message because I just created an account. Welcome to Scratch. After you make projects and comments, you'll get messages about them. Here, go explore and make a project. Um, we're not gonna really make a project here. So what you got to do is, first you need to confirm your email. You will be required to enter an email in while you are making an account. So when you confirm your email, which I'm going to show you right now, um so this is in okay, I'm just gonna go to my mail. So yeah, I can do it. Okay guys, so this is the email I got. So it will be in your inbox. If it didn't come, you might have to wait or just check. So it will show you this link. You will click this box, or yeah, this link. I'm just gonna click the box, and yeah, the account is successfully confirmed. Okay, now we can close the last tabs. Now, what you gotta do is you have to comment on and love, love and comment to some projects. For doing that, you can click on any project you want, and you can just click the heart button, the start button. You can type whatever you want. Yeah. Okay. You will have to do that to some projects. I'm just gonna do to 5 for now. One. Okay, I only commented one. Uh, okay. Um, so I'm just gonna come back when I did them. Okay, so I just commented, loved, and favorited this top projects that are top 4. I didn't do 5 because I was too lazy. So the next step is you need to make some projects. You can click on create and create any project you want, like a walking cat. Event, one click, control forever, motion, move 10 steps, if on edge, bounce. Okay, make this left and right. Walking cat 24/7. Okay, and yeah, so that'll be a project. You will share this, and that's a project you made. Now in a few weeks after you have done these, um Scratch will send you a notification in your mail, or I guess it was your mail, in your mail, and or you can just go to your profile and it will show you become scratcher thing. It will like show you become scratcher thing somewhere in the screen. I just forgot where it was. um so that's how it works. You just gotta do these steps and you will become a scratcher in no time. You will have to agree the rule agreements, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this to this video. Subscribe, watch the last video I made. This channel is about education and coding. I had started coding when I was 5, and yeah, I have become a really good hit on coding. So you might become a hit on coding too. You just gotta try. And it is known that robots will take over sometime, so you will really need to learn coding in future for coding robots, and it will help the community. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye. See ya.